Hi guys, I just wanted to give you a useful practical use of putting text on a path. And in this case, what I wanted to do is to get my text to go around the border of the mountains here. This is a JPEG image or a PNG image, and I want the text to go up and down and move along. It's very beautiful. I will press spacebar and I will show you how it does. You know, it's very nice, and also it's going very much around the borders. You see, it's like a worm, you know, climbing up and down and stories like this. Now, if you look at the text, you will find out that the mask itself is just around. And I didn't do that in the lecture to explain to you about the path, because this is a path that will take quite some work, you know, you have to adjust it and so on. Now, if you run the animation, you will notice that the character spacing is quite high. I'll show you how I did that. If you come over here, and you go to the tracking. The tracking will give you a space between the characters or between the letters. If you put back to 0 as normal, you notice that they are very congested and they are very near each other, and it's not nice and we cannot read it. When you are doing path for text, most of the time you will want to use the tracking here. Of course, it depends on your font. So you can choose a word, select a word and do the tracking, or you can just do it for the whole layer. In this case, I will do it for the whole layer. I will just scrub it up. You notice now it's becoming more readable. I will go up to 400. Yeah, something like this will do. If you run your animation now, here you are, your text is much more readable by the viewer. And this is just a simple example of what you can do with path options within the text layer. I hope this example was useful, and please get some JPEGs, get some AI files, get some path, and try to create something similar just to cement this learning and to be able to use it later and you can remember it. Thanks very much. I will see you in the next lecture.